Hey friends, I just got my Christmas in July bundle set in the mail and wanted to give you a first look here on my channel. And so I wanted to share them with you and also give you all of the links if you wanted to snag them while they're available. Now, by chance, if they are not available, if they're sold out or whatever, just click the request a restock notification because that lets Essential Stencil know that you are interested and that they can gauge of what they want to restock. All right. All right, guys, this includes vintage trucks as well as Merry and Sweet Christmas. We have some beautiful lanterns and candles. We have Timeless Christmas, and we also have sweet nutcrackers. Okay, friends, drop it in the comments. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. And if you wanted to guess which one is mine, I absolutely love the red trucks as well as the Merry and Sweet Christmas. I'll leave an extra video for you here that shares how I take these rub-on transfers and take them to the next level with my hand-painted projects, just by adding my little tips and tricks for rub-on transfers to give that hand-painted look. All right. I'll also leave the Essential Stencils playlist at the end of the video. Do not forget to use my code CC by Tracy 10 for an additional 10% off anything on the website, especially if it's on sale. That can give you an extra 10% off. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day and God bless.